Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to clear your search history on LinkedIn using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've been searching for connections, jobs, or content on LinkedIn and want to tidy up your history, follow these simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that represents you. Click on the Me icon. This is where you'll access your account settings. After clicking on the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the settings related to your account and privacy preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the Data Privacy section in the left sidebar. Click on it to access options related to how LinkedIn uses your data. This is where you can manage your search history, along with other privacy settings. Next, find and click on Search History. This will take you to a page where you can view all the searches you've performed on LinkedIn. If you want to clear this history, look for the option that says Clear Search History. When you click Clear Search History, a confirmation prompt will pop up asking if you're sure you want to proceed. This is an important step to ensure you don't accidentally delete anything you might want to keep. Confirm your choice by clicking Clear again. And just like that, your search history is cleared. It's a straightforward process that helps maintain your privacy and keeps your account organized. Remember, clearing your search history can be beneficial if you're concerned about privacy or simply want a fresh start with your searches. Now you're all set. Enjoy exploring LinkedIn without any past searches lingering around. Thank you for watching, and happy networking.